Hey John, what are you doing?
Oh, Angie, you are just the person I need right now. I've got all these ingredients and I want to make a hot pot soup and I don't know where to start.
Hey, don't sweat it. It's real easy. Use this. It's a hot pot condiment, a new product series for my company. Consider it my New Year's gift for you.
Thanks very much. So, what do I do with this?
This hot pot condiment is made by all natural spices with savory condiment, so you can easily make hot pot soup without additional seasoning.
This is fantastic. I see you brought 4 packets here. Are these the same flavor?
Oh, there are 4 different flavors, including cumin, spicy, Chinese herbs, and Malaysian bak kut teh, so you can have 4 different meals.
Nice. I can't wait to try this. But Angie, I thought your company only sells spices and condiments to wholesalers and distributors.
Well, our company, LINCO Enterprise, is a 30-year-old food manufacturer. We produce all spices, including single spice and mixed spices, such as white pepper, red pepper, cinnamon, curry powder, and 5-spice powder. And we have been focused on soup-based powder development over the last 20 years. As a matter of fact, we were the first company to develop pork-flavored boiling powder in Taiwan. Now, we have several flavored soup-based powder, like pork, chicken, seafood, bonito, and mushroom kelp for vegetarians. Hot Pot and many other Chinese food restaurants use our products to reduce cooking time and space needed.
Ah, just like the Chinese food restaurant that we went last time. No wonder the owner knew you so well.
Yes, on top of soup product, we also have condiment for fried chicken, as well as the seasoning for fried chicken, potato chips, and popcorn. Try this.
Oh, don't mind if I do. This is delicious.
Yeah, this is the seasoning we formulated for our customers to use on their popcorn products.
This is fantastic. So if my mom has a secret seasoning recipe, you could actually help her create her own product, right?
Sure, it's actually what we do at LINCO Enterprise. We provide one-stop service for our customers. Our R&D department can develop the product customized to the client's needs. And we also have an in-house designer who can help you design your own brand. For our restaurant chain clients, our team works to create their unique soup flavor and seasoning to ensure consistent food quality in all their stores and improve business efficiency. To meet our international clients' needs, our company is also ISO 22000 and HACCP certificated from SGS. We also received Organic Manufacturer certificate last year. So, our products are sold all over the world, meeting high food standards everywhere.
Oh, so Angie, do you guys export? I have a friend that's going to open a hot pot restaurant in LA. He can really use your product.
Of course, we export to 10 countries, including Malaysia, Singapore, Philippines, Korea, China, Australia, United States, Canada, France, and Spain. And we are going to expand our distributorship this year. Let me show you. We will go to the food show in Singapore in April, Shanghai and Thailand in May, and the biggest food exhibition in Taipei by the end of June.
That's fantastic. So, Angie, we haven't actually cooked any hot pot. Can we get back to that now?
Oh, sure. Okay, let's go.